Hello, my name is Stephen Williams with the Credit Repair Shop. I'm here to show you in this brief video some proof that we get for our clients. We do this for people all across the United States, helping them clear up their credit so they can go out and buy a new car, a home, start a business, invest, whatever they would like to do. Pay less interest on credit cards, pay lower interest rates on your cars and houses because their credit score is increased. Regardless of how bad your credit is now, we can show you how to improve your credit, and we're going to show you the right way to do it. But those are all words. I'm going to show you the true results from customers that we are dealing with, and they are very happy. And I'm going to show you the real results right now. All of these results are from customers that are working with our company right now. These are not results from some other company. So you can see here that the information was deleted off of their credit report. And you can see here that this was a bankruptcy that we were able to get off of this individual's credit report. You can see there. And we have another deletion here for another. This was a mortgage. This is a mortgage servicing company. We found some problems with the documentation. We were able to get that deleted off of this individual's credit report. And also, before I move forward, I would like for you to take advantage of our free consumer's guide to choosing a credit repair company without getting ripped off. That's packed with information that you should know, regardless if you choose to work with our company or not. You need to know this valuable information that's in this consumer guide. Just leave your name and email address, and that consumer guide will be emailed directly to your email box. And that's regardless if you choose to do business with us or not. You need to know what to watch out for when choosing a credit repair company to work with. Okay, here goes some more results. We have a deletion here from a collection agency. We have more deletions from another collection agency. Here's another deletion. And the reasons why the forms may look different, we're dealing with 3 credit reporting agencies: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, and they all have different paperwork that they send back with the results from the investigations. And here we go here from this client. We have this information was deleted off of their report. Having that many items, I'm sure their credit score is increasing. They're going to be able to buy a new car. They're going to be able to get a home, starting a business. Just imagine if you can get half of the items deleted off your credit report, how much your credit score would go up and allow you to get the credit that you deserve to get. And here we go, some more information. This was the county courts, and this was a bankruptcy that was taken off of a customer's file. So you can see that we can get bankruptcies, judgments, liens, all types of things off of your credit report. Here's another one here where it was a bankruptcy and we got that information taken off of that individual's credit report. And we can see here that we got this information. It was a collection agency, and we were able to get that off of that individual's credit report. And another collection agency we were able to get off of the individual's credit report. So at any time, if you've seen enough proof, I want you to get our consumer's guide to choosing a credit repair company without getting ripped off. It's packed with so much information. You can use it regardless if you choose our company or not. You want to know the information that's inside of it. Information like the 3 big reasons you should avoid picking a paper processing credit repair. Mills, these are companies that are just pushing paper. 6 big rip-offs that you need to avoid when it comes to choosing a credit repair company, 9 misconceptions about dealing with credit repair companies, 8 mistakes that people are making every day when choosing a credit repair company, and also why it's important for you to repair your credit, the reasons why you need to do it right now, and then why you shouldn't deal with any credit repair company that doesn't offer a 100% money back guarantee. Get that consumer's guide by leaving your name and email address on this form that's on this page. Let's go down some more and we can see even more results here for information that was deleted off of a individual's credit report. Again, this individual, very happy, was able to go out, purchase a new car. You see right here, this is the proof that a civil judgment in bankruptcy was taken off of their report. And we show you exactly how we can get this done for you, and it really changes the life of these individuals. When they thought that they were going to have bad credit forever, they thought that they were going to be stuck with bad credit for 7 to 10 years, even with the bankruptcy for 10 years, and we were able to turn that around within 15 to 45 or 60 days in some cases, and get their credit cleared up and have them be able to get a new car, a new home. They started businesses. You're able to get very good interest rates because of getting their credit repaired the right way. Here we go. There's more deletions there. We have this, looks like a credit card that was deleted. Here's some more deletions. Here's some more deletions, and I hope you appreciate that I'm showing you proof. You know, a lot of companies talk about what they can do, but these are true results that we're getting for customers that are working with our company right now. And at any time, you can leave your name and email and get this consumer's guide to choosing a credit repair company without getting ripped off. You need this free information so you can choose so you can know how to choose the right company to work with. Here's some more information where it was deleted off of the customer's file. And you can see the dates. These are current dates. You know, we have customers as long as 5 years ago, but these are some recent dates that we pulled out of the files. And you can see that information was deleted. And just imagine if you can get half of the items cleared off your credit, how much better your credit report would be, how much better your credit would be. Your credit score would go up. You would get lower interest rates. You would be able to buy a car. You would be able to get a home, start a business, start investing, have a brighter future. So at any time you can just leave your name and email address, and we'll get right over to your email the consumer's guide to choosing a credit repair company without getting ripped off. You're going to learn the 3 big reasons why you should avoid these paper processing credit repair mills, the 6 biggest rip-offs when it comes to choosing a credit repair company, the 9 costly misconceptions that people are running into every day when dealing with the wrong credit repair company, 8 mistakes that you need to avoid when choosing a credit repair company, and then why you need to do something about your credit now. Now is the time to do something about your credit, and why you should never deal with any company that's not willing to give you a 100% guarantee on their work. Here we go. We got some more information here. These were follow-ups where it says no longer on the file, no longer on the file. That's because we had tested to make sure that this information was not going to be put back on there if the collection agency was going to try to sell it to another agency and put that credit file back on the individual's report. but we were able to get all of that information off of there, and then we had the proof when we did a second verification to make sure that those were off, and then they updated with 3 more deletions, and then there's new information below, in which this is how we follow up on the individual's credit report from the investigations that the credit reporting company sent to the individuals. And we have some more deletions here from a collection agency. And we have some more deletions here. These are like finished results after we've done the follow-up processes and we know exactly what came back from the investigations. We can do follow-ups, and that's when we really can get all of the information off of the report. But right now this is just proof, and we're going to show you in the consumer's guide even more details about how you can have this done for yourself, and you be able to go out and buy a car. You'll have good credit again. You have a fresh start, regardless if you filed bankruptcy or even if you haven't filed bankruptcy. It doesn't matter. We're going to show you how you can restore your credit, be able to get the things that you want to get with your credit, and so you can move on with your life. It doesn't matter if you have bankruptcies, judgments, collections, evictions, medical bills. It doesn't matter what you have on your report. We can show you how to fix your credit report, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do that by first getting this free guide, the consumer's guide to choosing a credit repair company without getting ripped off. You need that free information that I have inside of there. Simply leave your name and email address, and I'll get that free consumer's guide to choosing a credit repair company without getting ripped off emailed directly to your email box. All you have to do is leave your name and email address. We can see here there's more deletions, so I'm just showing you more and more proof about what we've done for our customers. Here's more proof with working with collection agencies. And this is what all companies should provide to you. They need to show you proof of the work that they're able to do. Here's more proof. We got these items deleted off of this individual's credit report, and just imagine how this person felt when they went from having all of those negative items on their report, and then they took off all of the other, they took them off and there's only 2 left, and now we're dealing with just those 2, and they can go out and they can buy a car, they can get a home, start a business, invest. They just have a brighter future. So if you're in this situation, you need to get my free consumer's guide to choosing a credit repair company without getting ripped off. You're going to learn the 3 big reasons why you should avoid these paper processing credit repair mills, the 6 biggest rip-offs that customers are running into when choosing a credit repair company, 9 costly misconceptions when it comes to dealing with credit repair, the 8 mistakes that you need to avoid when choosing a credit repair company, and also why you need to take action now on doing something about your credit. Don't wait. You need to know why you need to do it now, and also why you shouldn't deal with any company that is not willing to give you a 100% money back guarantee. I'm going to give you all of that information for free in my consumer's guide to choosing a credit repair company without getting ripped off. Here's more proof. I'm giving you overwhelming amounts of proof. I'm pretty sure you can look all over the internet and companies will probably say everything in words, but they'll never show you the proof. I'm showing you the proof of results that we're getting for clients. They come to my office. They sign up over the internet. It doesn't matter where you're at. We can help you resolve your credit problems so you can go out and get the car that you want. Not a car with a higher interest rate. You can go and get a home, a bigger home, because you're paying a lower interest rate. You can start a business so you can get financial independence. You can start investing. It all starts right here, and you need to get the Consumer's Guide to Choosing a Credit Repair Company Without Getting Ripped Off. Leave your name and email address. I'm going to rush that over into your email box so you can get started on turning your credit around so you can start living the life that you want to live. And we got more proof here of deletions off of accounts. Now I'm going to show you some additional services that we provide for our clients. This was a company, HSBC, was suing one of our clients saying that they owed over $1,100, or it says even right here, $1,041.28 for a credit card. Now, this individual did owe this, but I showed them how this company was actually breaking the law by coming after them for this debt. And I'm going to reveal this information to you in my Consumer's Guide to Choosing a Credit Repair Company Without Getting Ripped Off. No one knows this information here, and attorneys, you would probably have to get an attorney to do what I've done here, and I'm going to show you how to do it. But most attorneys don't even know how to do this because they're afraid to really dig deep and find out if companies have broken the law when they come after you for debt. So you can see that they came after my client, and they had, the current balance was at $1,169.80. That was with some interest rates, some interest that they charge. Well, let's look at the result that I was able to get this individual. In the second letter, and it's a little wrinkled here, but this is what the result that I was able to get for this individual. You see HSBC, and you see that account number. I'm able to use this account number because now it's dead. It's 517669. You see that, the number right there, and you can see that the number is also in here somewhere. Well, I think I covered it up on there, but you can use, we can use this information because this is a fully settled account. So this individual gave me permission to use it. But you can see the result that we got for the individual is that it says as they have concluded this investigation of your dispute and they're closing your account, and that they will be reporting to the 3 major credit reporting agencies to delete the information off of this individual's trade line. It said please allow 60 days. Well, we didn't want to allow 60 days. We actually forwarded the information and got it taken off. So now that saved that individual. This person was very upset, nervous. They didn't have money. They thought their money was going to be garnished out of their account, and we were able to show them exactly how we would challenge this information on a legal basis. No tricks or nothing. Just by knowing the law, we were able to get this debt totally wiped off without paying 1 penny. It was really just the price of a postage stamp. Now let's go to another client. This client was actually being sued, and you can see that they came after this client for $3,000, and this client was also very upset. They didn't want to have their wages garnished. They didn't want to lose any more money. They were already just very unsettling situation, and you probably went through this yourself if you're dealing with credit collection agencies or creditors that are coming after you. They're calling your job, and this individual was very concerned about them calling their job, and they had made all types of threats about what they were going to do. And you could see they had actually taken him to court and had a judgment, and so the balance that they had was $3,000, and they said that they were, now look at this, not willing to go lower than their offer to settle this matter for $300. Now let's look here to see what we ended up settling this amount for. You said the original balance was $300. we ended up settling this account for $459.89. We had to get the payment during 7 days of the date of the letter, but we were able to get that settled. So you can see what my company is able to do. Now just imagine you go from owing $3,000 to paying $459.87. That will take a lot of stress off of an individual. It will save them money. It will help them make a fresh start. If they haven't filed bankruptcy, it can save them from filing bankruptcy. All types of things. And this individual can now repair their credit, which we've done. And this individual is looking at buying a new home. And I believe they just purchased a new car. This is what I'm talking about. That's why the time is now, and you need to do something about your credit. So leave your name and email address. Get my free consumer's guide to choosing a credit repair company without getting ripped off. Learn the 3 big reasons you should avoid dealing with paper processing credit repair mills. Avoid the 6 biggest mistakes that people are running into when dealing with credit repair companies. The 9 costly misconceptions about dealing with your credit. The 8 mistakes to avoid when choosing a credit repair company. And the reasons why you need to take advantage of repairing your credit now. And why you should never deal with any company that doesn't offer a 100% money back guarantee. You're going to get all of that information plus much more in my consumer's guide to choosing a credit repair company without getting ripped off. All you have to do is leave your name and email address. Here is another client here, and this individual owed $2,058.63, and we were able to negotiate that down to $386.45. Again, you know, from going from a bill of $2,058.63 down to $386.45, you're saving, you know, roughly $1,600 that you're not having to come up with. And this is paid in full. The creditor goes, the debt collection company and creditor, they go away, and you get to start to rebuild your credit. So this individual was very happy. They were elated. They rushed the money right to the credit, to the collection agency, and this account was paid in full and taken off of their credit report. And now we have even some more. This is one of my favorites, where we use the technique that I'm going to reveal to you, where this was a medical bill and it was given to a collection agency, and because of the legal basis that we challenged this on, you can see here that it says this letter will confirm that the above reference account has been canceled from collections with our agency. We will no longer pursue you for payment. And because there are certain rules and laws that collection agencies and creditors must adhere to, and if they go outside of those bounds, they could lose their license, they can get sued, all types of things could happen to them. But you'll never get them into that position if you don't know how to, if you don't know the law and how to use the law in your favor. And that's what we teach you. So you need to get my free consumer's guide to choosing a credit repair company without getting ripped off. Because a lot of companies say they can do these things, but I'm proving to you with real documentation that my company can do this for you. So you can go out, get your credit restored, increase your credit score, buy a new car. You can buy a more expensive car because you're going to pay lower interest rates. You can buy a bigger house because you're going to pay lower interest rates. You can start a business. You can start investing. Most important, you're going to have a brighter and better future. And we have another one here where this individual owed a credit card company $12,586.26, and we settled this account for $2,500. Again, this individual was very stressed out. You can imagine, you get a letter, a summons to the court from the creditor, and they're saying that you better come up with this money or we're going to come and take your car, we're going to garnish your wages, go into your bank account, all types of things. They do all types of threats. This individual came to my company. He was already being sued in court, and without having attorney's fees, we guided him through the process, prepared all the information, did all of the necessary paperwork, and this individual was able to go up in front of multi-million-dollar collection firms that are paid millions of dollars and that are paying millions of dollars to buy these types of accounts, and was able to come out of there with a $2,500 settlement. $2,500. So you can see that this individual was very happy. The stress was relieved, and they were very elated with the result that we were able to get for them. And they was very cautious about dealing with us because they had listened to those companies that claim that they can do this stuff, and we did not require him to put money into some special account. No, we just started the negotiation process, and we knew what amount that he had to settle the account, and we just started from a point, and we were able to negotiate back and forth with the attorneys to get this settlement here. So if you find yourself where you need to repair your credit, you need to get the free consumer's guide to choosing a credit repair company without getting ripped off, so you can avoid the 3 big reasons why you should avoid paper processing credit repair mills. They're all over the place. These companies are getting bad results for people. The 6 biggest rip-offs when it comes to repairing your credit, 9 costly mistakes when dealing with your credit, 8 mistakes that you need to avoid when choosing a credit repair company, and why you should do something about your credit now. A lot of people think that there's nothing that they should do about it right now, but you should. And also why you should never deal with a company that doesn't offer a 100% money back guarantee. And here's another letter that shows again that we were able to get this debt totally wiped out. It was a medical bill for this individual. We got it removed from their credit file. You can see here that they're going to remove it. They zeroed out the balances, and they even gave an apology. When is the last time you ever heard of a collection agency apologizing for coming after a debt? But because of the secrets that we know, how to deal with these companies, and we're one of the most feared companies in the United States when it comes to credit repair. We don't push paper, we push the law. And when you had a law on your side, but you don't have to pay enormous legal fees, there's a lot of things that you can do. So if you want to repair your credit, get a nicer car because you're going to pay a lower interest rate. You're going to have a smaller payment. You're going to be able to pay your car off a lot faster. You can get a bigger home and pay it off a lot faster because your interest rate is lower. You can start a small business. You can invest for the future. You can live a better life. If this is what you want, get my free consumer's guide to choosing a credit repair company without getting ripped off. Leave your name and email address, and I will rush that directly to your email box immediately. So leave your name and email address, and once you confirm your email address, you will get the free consumer's guide to choosing a credit repair company without getting ripped off.